stop thinking about you, but what good would that do? Things would stay exactly the same, but this time there'd be no one to blame. All the little mistakes we made in such a short space of time probably add up to something much bigger than you and me, and who's mine. I wish I could stop. I wish I could stop this and this. Leave now, give up on everything. I don't need your sympathy. Blue jeans, acoustic melodies, they all make me cry, and I don't know why. I guess I could stop feeling sorry for myself, but what good would that do? Things wouldn't change for the better, and now I'd be completely alone. All the little talks we had in such a short space of time probably add up to something much bigger than flirting, just a pastime. I just stopped this and this, left then gave up on everything. I didn't need your sympathy. Blue jeans, acoustic melodies, they all made me cry. They still make me cry, and I don't know why, but it scares me. I guess I could stop thinking about